Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find deleted transactions in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, finding deleted transactions in QuickBooks is crucial for a lot of reasons because number one, keeping track of deleted transactions helps maintain an audit trail of all changes made to your financial records. That means it's essential for accountability, compliance, and transparency, especially in regulated industries or for businesses subject to audits. Now, sometimes transactions are deleted accidentally or mistakenly, like I did in the past. Now, being able to find and restore deleted transactions, it will allow you to correct these errors promptly and accurately, ensuring the integrity of your financial data. Now, for you to be able to find the deleted transactions in QuickBooks, it's a very straightforward process. All you have to do is go to the cog icon setting right here and click on the audit log. Once you've done that, you will be given to a new window wherein from here you have all the users, the date change, all events. Say for example, we are going to customize all the audit logs from this specific user. And from here, all you have to do is just check the event or the detailed information that you wanted to check. All right. By identifying and addressing unauthorized or improper deletions, you can prevent data tampering and maintain the accuracy and reliability of your accounting information. Now, because sometimes deleted data transactions may contain valuable historical data that is important for financial analysis, reporting, or decision making, being able to retrieve deleted transactions ensures that you have access to complete and accurate historical records when needed. Now, in the event that you are having problems retrieving your deleted transactions here on QuickBooks, you might want to go to the QuickBooks support and find your account down here. You can also contact these numbers. They are available at these times, so that you might want to check with them on how to find the deleted transactions in QuickBooks if you encounter any issues. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.